Aditi and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you some skincare products that I recently bought on amazing discounts as sale is going on everywhere. So here are some products from M Caffeine, out of which I got two for absolutely free. Yes, I'm not even kidding, I'm serious. And also here are some products from Plum which I got on an amazing deal, which I will tell you about later. So let's start with the Plum's products first. So here is Plum Wild Cherries and Kiwi Body Butter. Just look how cute the packaging is. I mean, they have pasted this very cute washi tape also on top of it, and the font and all the colors are just so pretty. So let's see how it looks from inside. As you can see here, it comes with another lid, and when you open it you see a very thick and creamy consistency, because obviously it's a body butter and not a body lotion. And I'll just show you a little bit of amount of it on my hand so that you can get an idea of its consistency. Just look how amazingly it melts down into the skin. I really like this product. So now is the Plum Green Tea Toner. I know, there is already a lot of hype about it, but I just wanted to try it once, and it says that it is alcohol free, which is a good thing, and it comes in 200 ml bottle. It smells really nice. I like the fragrance, but one thing I want to tell you about is that its lid. I mean, I don't know why it is so weird. I haven't seen any lid of toner like that. But apart from that, I like the product. So now here is the Plum Day Cream with SPF 30, and it is from their Grapeseed and Sea Buckthorn range. It says that it is a light stay day cream which comes in a package of 60 ml. So I basically wanted a simple day cream जिसमें थोड़ा SPF भी हो, ताकि मुझे घर बैठे बैठे सनस्क्रीन ना लगानी पड़े क्योंकि मैं आलसी हूँ. Okay, so here is how the tube looks like. It is simple tube, कुछ भी नहीं है इसमें fancy. And now I'm gonna show you a little bit of it on my hand so that you can judge the consistency of it. It is a little bit thick, ज़्यादा thick भी नहीं है, but थोड़ी है, and it gets absorbed in the skin quickly, which is a good thing. So now here comes the star of the show, which is Plum Green Tea Face Mask. I have bought this product before also, so this is my second purchase, and it means that I obviously like it. और ये धागा पता नहीं क्यों आ गया इसके साथ, निकलता ही नहीं है. Okay, anyways, let's see how the inner packaging looks like, which looks amazing. Okay, and it also comes with this little leaflet sort of a thing, which states some important points and how to use the product and all, which is very important actually. Just read it before using it. And here is the actual product, which comes in this glass jar, which I like and I adore. और ये देखो कंपनी कैसे बुद्धू बनाती है, बॉटम में इतना थिक दे दिया ताकि प्रोडक्ट और ना भरना पड़े. नाइस स्ट्रेटेजी. सो हियर इज़ अनदर लिड अगेन. इसको खोलो, ये देखो. Here is how it looks like. Now let's jump to the M Caffeine products, and the first one here is M Caffeine's Naked and Raw Coffee Face Scrub. So I basically use those DIY natural scrubs for my face, but क्योंकि सर्दियाँ आने वाली हैं और सर्दियों में मैं और आलसी हो जाती हूँ, इसलिए I always buy a ready-made scrub for me for winters every year. So this is it. And now here is the M Caffeine's Naked and Raw Coffee Face Mask. I had heard a lot about this product, so I wanted to try it once. It comes with a wooden spatula which looks more like a wooden spoon. Wait, let me just show you guys. Focus bro, focus. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and I find it adorable. And now comes the product. Again, focus. So yeah, now here comes the actual product, and it also comes in this glass jar. Let's just see how it looks like from inside. One more lid. So this is how it looks like. Pure cement. Nice. The fragrance is amazing, just like coffee. And again, company का बुद्धू बनाना part 2. Nice strategy. Okay, so I overall liked it, and especially this wooden spoon. And now here is the Am Caffeine's Naked and Raw Coffee Face Serum. I bought this serum with that face mask in a combo deal, which was at a good discount. So let's just see how the bottle looks like. It is made of very good quality material, and the bottle is big in size, so that's a good thing. When you open the bottle, you actually feel like you have entered in a cafe, and it smells exactly like cold coffee. It smells so delicious that you would just want to eat it. And the consistency of it is a little bit on the thicker side, but overall I like it. So now here is the first free product that I got from their website, and it is the Am Caffeine's Naked and Raw Coffee Hand Cream, and I'm obviously very happy that I got it for free. And let's just look into it. The packaging is very simple, just like an ordinary cream, and ये open नहीं हो रही. Okay, it's sealed. Wait, let me just remove its seal and come. Okay, so this is how the tube looks like, and I'll just show you it on my palms. So it has a little greasy and thick consistency, but after applying it, it gets absorbed in the hands very quickly, which is a good thing because nobody wants greasy palms. Oops. Okay, कोई बात नहीं. The last product for today is this very pretty pouch from Am Caffeine, which I got for free, and its color is very beautiful, and it also has this logo of the brand on it. The quality of the chain and inside material is very amazing. I wasn't really expecting this quality for a free product. But anyways, that was all about it, and I hope you guys liked this video. Bye bye.